Okay, I am unboxing the 10-inch Selfie, the ring light. Got it from Amazon. I think I only paid like $20 for it. But yeah, they just dropped it off. I'm about to unbox it real quick, see what's in it. A box in a box. Up the beam. The tripod stand. A little happy sign. A little barcode. I don't know what's that for. Got your little user manual. Oop, thank you. Thank you for buying. And then you get your tripod. It's pretty nice. Got the little screw on the top. Stand up like so. Boop. And then over here, you get your little components as far as it's a phone clip, you know, screw on. Then you get a little case, you know, for the Bluetooth. Want to take pictures? Cheese. Then you get like a longer one. This one for screwing on longer. A little bit more, you know, movable. I think this is for a phone, but it don't. Oh, well, yeah, it do. Then you get another different type of mount. A little bigger. Move around a little bit. Sorry about all that noise. And then this is the actual light. Yep, the LED beam electronics light. Yep. And this is it. The little port. Boom, USB. And then you got your little things. $20, man. Ain't bad.